There's nothing better than making your first six figures from the stock market trading. What's up, guys? Zedmonopoly here. If you don't know who I am, well, just listen to what I have to say. Maybe one day you'll figure it out just by listening to my words. Guys, trading is very simple if you make it simple. If you make it chaotic, you will end up in the 97% loser bracket. I remember when I first made my first six figures trading, I thought it was simple. I thought I had it figured out. I thought, trading was for everybody. And then I went on to teach it to everybody. And then I realized, well, unfortunately, I didn't get far enough into the markets to understand all the outcomes. And I think now, after 12 years in the markets, I have figured it out. So, unfortunately, everybody needs luck in trading. Everybody. And here's what I mean by that. The markets work in stages. There's the given stage. This stage, everybody gets rich in. There's the middle stage. Everybody's just staying still, waiting for the markets to get into that stage. And then there's the unrealized losses and the wipage stage, where everybody's losing because the markets are dropping. And I think the last 2 years, we had all of these stages in the last 2 years. So most traders got caught out throughout those three stages in the last 2 years. And a lot of people ended up getting wiped, losing money. And even those who are in unrealized today are being discouraged and are losing as a result of selling at a loss. And many people have been forced to sell because they got deleveraged and options expired. So here is what you have to know about leveling up. You need a lump sum. You need a level where you can go be stupid, right? You cannot be poor and stupid at the same time. It's just, you can't. I don't make the law. This is the jungle. You enter the markets and you want to make money. This is finance we're talking about. The hardest thing out there. Everybody's after the dollar. You can't be poor and stupid at the same time, guys. You can only be one. Because many poor people have a brain. And that's good. That means they can survive. They can survive what's ahead of them. But being stupid means you sealed your fate at the bottom. But who's stupid and who's not? Well, how you react to events in your life determines who you are as a person. I've met people, guys, that would enter a new field and they will try to lecture the person in that field who has been doing it for decades. Like, there's one thing I will say to you guys about winning in trading. Luck is what most of us had. But number two, success does not come from just luck. It comes from positioning yourself right. So, you know what I said earlier on, I thought I had it figured out when I first made a little bit of money day trading. The thing is, guys, I got lucky a couple of times. I got lucky because I had a high conviction trade. That high conviction trade gave me an alta to work from where I can go be stupid. Day trading, I went and got stupid day trading, lost some money, but then I made money, and then I went and got stupid somewhere else, and then I went back to being smart again after I made that money. See, I went through a cycle, but most of you are doing it in reverse today. What you do is, you come in with life savings and you want to get into the jungle of trading, right? You wanna start swimming with the sharks. There's many sharks out there. You're so naive to this industry of trading that you think everybody's here to help you and everything else that you're trading with and using is as simple as just ABC. It's not. It just appears now. Trading back before 2020 was the hardest thing. You're trading against an algorithm in the markets. There's an algorithm out there that knows when to buy and sell and when to push the market higher and when to drop it. Right? So how the hell do you get this confidence to say, I'm going to open a leverage position overnight. I'm going to do an options contract overnight. Where do you get this confidence from? I'm going to do swing trading because I learned charting. Yeah? What? Because you learned a video on YouTube? There's an algorithm out there pushing a button. And it sees when stupid people are congested in a trade. It sees it. So all this volatility to me means nothing. So how do we break out and start to trade properly? Well, guys, if I know there's an algorithm out there and I know I'm trading against computers and the market is doing up and down constantly, well, I need to figure out a way to do it to beat the system. Number one, everybody wants to take a bite out of the apple, the forbidden fruit. And because of that, there's a 97% failure rate. But you're biting things that are poisonous, right? You go into things that are about to wipe you out. Like the moment you open a broker and you put your money in the broker, your money's gone. It's not gone yet, but I promise you, it's gone. But you don't know it. You just assume everything is legitimate. I've been here over 12 years, and I could tell you things, but I just won't make it public here. But just take these words for face value, guys. What most of you need is a lump sum, an altar, and you need to be lucky. So positioning yourself is what you should do today. The way I would recommend you trade is you can grab 2-3 trades, that do 20%, and now you have 60% return on your 10,000. Now you got 16 G's. Now you could do easily that in day trade and other fast money making ways. And the truth is, you will make money doing it. Like I turned 10,000 into 20, 30,000, 24 hours. But then when the market shifts, because I'm looking at narrow markets and market time frames, I'm kind of narrowing things down. I'm not looking at what tomorrow's going to bring. And then when tomorrow comes, I assumed it was like yesterday's market. And then I end up blowing up and losing as market goes. See? That's where most people find themselves, is repeating the same strategies time and time again in every stage of the market we spoke about earlier on. And that's why you got 97%. And that's why most people cannot see the good days through. They cannot get to that stage of giving. So know this about that, about yourself and about the market. And maybe we can move on to the final stage of this video, which is how do we break out from poverty? Number one, let's make enough money so we can go be stupid with it, right? And anybody you see who's promoting stupidity, you gotta call them out on it. So how do we make that money? Well, we need one big trade, one good trade, one nice trade that can do 2x our portfolio or trading account. So now we can work from an altar and we can take some of that money and go be stupid with it. Or number two, we do 90%, 10%. But there's only one way to build up, guys, and do your 100K six-figure return, and that is to get lucky. And the only way to get lucky is to be positioned right in the markets. Everybody needs to position themselves right. And everybody makes money day trading when the market's in one direction. It's just most of you lose it because you're unable to change, and that's why you kind of end up in the 97% bracket in comparison to somebody else who, like me, for example, who can see things clearly because I'm zoomed out when I'm trading. As a swing trader, I'll always survive, and that's for that reason I outperform every single trader, including your guru and your mentors. You understand? And I say that with all confidence. And I can guarantee you this one thing. If you don't change your ways, you'll be broke and stupid, and you have sealed your fate forever. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully this video woke up some people and gave you some inspiration and motivation, because that's what I'm here to do. It's not just to give out, but it's to help you and guide you, put you on the right path. Thanks, guys. See you again. Peace out.